ヴィンテージクルイジン USA
Last thing I knew, you were somewhere and now you're not there no more. Sit in there. I want to see how you look when you're sitting in there. How does it feel?
I like how comfortable it is. Dude, you cruise? Aww. I need you to have a really, I wish you could have a horn.
I have a horn, a crazy horn. Like one of those like...
That'd be so good.
I have a normal horn too, but I have two. We last time they tested it out. They put it to the battery. Is that really for your fingers?
I don't think so.
I think because I fuck up your fingers.
Probably, but I mean, hey, you're just chilling and you're cruising like this. I'm trying not to move it too much because it is
Oh yeah, it is right now. Yeah. Bare.
But it's so nice. I like.
I can't wait to like. Yeah. I can't wait to like just take out all of this, put like purple shag, you know, put like fix this all up and then buy purple shag for the back, like a rug that I can take out.
Put right here.
The walls. I'll probably put cushions. And then I'm gonna have a roll. I'm probably gonna put cushions, yeah.
Really nice if you had it all cushioned.
Yeah, and I'll probably like, cause it needs to be cushioned because it's gonna open up into a bed.
An older model of the Scooby-Doo van.
Oh. My cousin got this vintage suitcase probably a year ago, and I've been really intrigued by it. Tonight we wanted to figure out how to open it, and we had no general idea how. Hold it, please. So this is how you open a vintage suitcase with 2 locks. Back in the day, they weren't trying to be tricky or anything. They just had different mechanisms. Go ahead, put the key in, take it out, and you push this to the left. And that basically unlocks this latch. So you go ahead and do the same exact thing to the right. Now I know this seems probably to people that are older like something basic, but to millennials, this is not something we've ever seen before. It's just something we've thrifted. So, that one didn't open. That's because I couldn't open it.
Watch out!
These vintage suitcases are pretty dope. It actually has a clothes hanger. So, when you put your clothes in here or whatever, it'll hang.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, here was a little clothes hanger. These are also vintage. It's pretty cool. It's pretty neat that they gave you clothes hangers. It's very vintage.
I know.
And they're also like super like futuristic because they're retractable.
The backup key.
Backup key. They're retractable. So like that is really cool.
This is to help fold your clothes down, no?
Yeah.
That's pretty nice.
Yeah. Pretty intrigued.
You got little pockets right here.
It smells still like a
Vintage. It has to get cleaned.
It smells like a.
My mom was supposed to.
Depends what vinyls they are. If it's like. I'm looking for any good symphonies or Jimi Hendrix is the father.
Oh, I wish this was for sale.
What? Show me.
being called?
It's me.
We got 2 more up there.
I'm not grabbing those. Okay, let's see. Over here.
Okay. Hello? Hello? Hi, yes. I am 10 years old.
Who?
This is my child from another vagina.
Okay.
Is that Tiger Woods? Is that Michael Jordan? Blasphemous. Ladybug.
And then I might move. Oh, I have this one.
Oh, can you film me?
Star Wars Battle Galactica.
Pew, pew, pew.
It's
Pew,
Battle
pew.
Galactica because of this guy from The Office. Star Wars. I what? No, oh, I like this right here. These are vintage, jumpsuits.
Oh, heck yeah. Get the Canada hat. You know, like, it's like, you know, like how rappers rhyme?
Yeah, that's how it is.
Oh my god, that's what it sounds like when you read one of the
Here we go.
books.
I used to rap all of these. I used to have all of them. This was no time for play. This was no time for fun. This was no time for games. There was work to be done. All that deep, deep, deep snow. All that snow had to go when our mother went down to the town for the day. She said, somebody has to clean us. Somebody has to see you see. That she picked out to somebody, Sally and me. One more.
Oh. One
More.
fish, 2 fish.
More riddles. Oh, this is before this was Bennett Surf. Oh, I have this one. I love this.
His name's Bennett Surf.
When it is not raining, when will a net hold water? When the water turns to ice, what is the best way to keep a skunk from smelling? Okay, this is not it. Anyways, this is pretty awesome. They even have the Cat in the Hat Make It book dictionary. This is like my childhood. Seriously. I feel...
Green egg. I only had green eggs and ham, but that still was my childhood. I actually had green eggs and ham before.
Me too. I like the Bernstein bears. Look at this. This
Okay.
is to grind corn.
Okay, but one question.
What?
Is he spelled it with an E or A?
What?
Bernstein Bears.
Oh, the thing is, I spelled it with an E.
Oh wait, is that actually a guitar?
Yeah.
Nice. Why are there so many cool instruments?
Okay, let's go. It's pretty fun.
Oh. Hey, ho.
What's up, guys? Are you filming me?
Yeah.
Alright, howdy everybody. I got this from JBUGS. which is not a present. I paid about $200 plus for this stuff. So, this is not sponsored.
We wish though.
This is not sponsored, but they did give me a discount. So, thanks JBUGS. Head over there to get some really good prices on VW parts. Whether you have a Bug or a Kia, a bus or a Type 3, they have most of your parts needs. And they have really helpful people that you can talk to. So, yeah. So, what I ordered was brake nut accelerator cable, brake hardware kit rear, brake hardware kit front, roller bearing inner, wheel seal, roller bearing outer, roller bearing rear outer, ball bearing rear inner, VW rear axle seal, accelerator cable, shift bushing repair kit, VW accelerator pedal hinge, front brake shoe set, brake shoe set rear. Added additional items to the order. I guess those are the items. So in total, I paid $274.50. Apparently this is the piece that my old mechanic lost. He totally lost it and I had to rebuy this piece. How much is this? My address, Chloe.
You can blur it out.
I don't like doing that.
I could.
Roller bearing. A whole bunch of roller bearings. Your mama's a roller bearing. Your dad's a roller bearing. Your grandma's a roller bearing.
We had the same grandma.
Oh, shit. And I got hooked the F up with a shirt. Oh, look. In here you see the brake shoes. This is the hinge kit that I needed. Accelerator cable. This is going to be the first sticker on my car.
Sweet.
So. This little thing cost me like $16. Okay, so. Are you excited? Take a picture for me. This. Or me and this. Okay, one of them will be okay.
I don't know what, but something's trying to bite me.
Alright, let's get out of here.
Okay. Oh, we see.
So yeah, now we have to go to the
Shop.
To update you on my life. I basically spent 3 weeks here to get nothing done. Nothing done. At all. They didn't do nothing. Like literally, the guy just rebuilt the carburetor after the last guy did it and lost a piece. So basically we just found out that he lost a piece. Which is really like troubling for me because like, I spent money on that too. Anyways, moving on. They wouldn't work on my car until I got these pieces, so I got all of this, even though the electrical needs work and all this other stuff that they're probably not gonna get to. I have to take it as it is and keep on moving along. I guess this is my adventure. Thanks JBUGS for this cute tea.
Pie. Dork.
I'm American. I'll cut you.
In America? You shouldn't even have a weapon.
Actually, if it's smaller than the size of your palm, you can do that.
No, I was
Anyways.
saying that for a different reason.
Is it black? What the hell?